Arithmetic progression, class 10th, exercise 5.1. Question number 1. Part 1. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for first kilometer and then rupees 8 for every additional kilometer. So we have to check whether this is in AP or not. So it is increasing by 8 every time. So we can say that it will be an AP. So 15, then it will become 23, then 31, then 39. So dot dot. So for the terms to be in an AP, the common difference must be same. Let's check the common difference. 23 minus 15 equal to 8. 31 minus 23 equal to 8. So here 39 minus 31 equal to 8. So we observe that common difference is constant. So it will be in an AP. Now let's go to next question. Part 2 says the amount of air present in cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So we can imagine that this is a cylinder in which suppose total X liter gas is present. So X by 4 is removed. Then remaining air will be X minus X by 4, that is 3X by 4. Then next time 1/4 of 3X by 4 will be removed. So the removed portion will not be constant every time. So it will not be in an AP. Now let's take next question. Third part is the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Yes, it will be an AP because first time it is 150, then next will be 200, then 250 and so on. So here common difference will be 50. So it will be in an AP. Let's go to next question, fourth part. So the amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. In case of compound interest, it will not be an AP because every year the interest will be different. So we can say it is not an AP. Now let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given below. So rule is there. A is first term, then we add D to it, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, A plus 4D, etc. So here in our question, A is given as 10, and then next term will be, and D is given here, A equal to 10, and D is also given as 10. So when we add A and D, we will get 20, then this will be 30, then this will be 40, then this will be 50, and so on. This is the first part. Now let's consider second part. Here A equal to given 4 and D equal to -3. So in the same manner, we can write A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, then A plus 4D, and next term A plus 4D. Even we can find A plus 5D, etc. 4D. So let's put the values 4. Then we subtract subtract 3 from this. So we will get 1. Then again it will become -2. Then it will become -5. Then -8, etc. Let's go to next part. This was third part. Now let's go to second part. Second part is A equal to -2 and D equal to 0. Here there is no increment, so each term will remain same, -2, -2, -2, -2, etc. And then let's go to part fourth. Fourth part is A equal to -1, then D equal to just half. So first term will be -1, then we have to add 1 by 2 to it, so we will get -half. Then again when we add 1 by 2, we will get 0, then 1 by 2, then 1, then 3 by 2, and so on. Here we have used the concept A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, etc. Okay, let's go to fifth part. In fifth part, A equal to -1.25 and D equal to -0.025. So we can write AP. First term will be -1.25. Then when we add -0.025, sorry, D is not 0.025, it is just -0.25. So 25. So next term will be -1.50. The next term will be -1.75. Next term will be -2.0, and so on. Now let's go to next question. Question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. So first part, it is 3, 1, -1, -3, etc. So we find the difference of second to first or third to second. So D will be equal to 1 minus 3, which will be -2. Second part, -5, then -1, then 3, then 7, etc. So D will be second term minus first term, -1 minus -5, which will give 4. Let's go to next part. Next part is 1 by 3, then 5 by 3, then 9 by 3, etc. So D will be second term minus first term, that is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which will give 4 by 3. Then last part, it is 0.6, then 1.7, then 2.8, etc. So here D will be second term minus first term, 1.7 minus 0.6 will be 1.1. Now let's go to question number 4. Question number 4 says, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. So first one, 2, 4, 6, sorry, 2, 4, 8, 16 dot dot dot. Here difference between these two is 2, but difference between these two is 4, and here difference between these two is 8, so it is not an AP. Second, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, etc. So here common difference is same. 5 by 2 minus 2 will give 1 by 2. The same is true here. 3 minus 5 by 2 will also give 1 by 2. So it is an AP. If it is an AP, then next terms can be written as, so next term will be 4, then 9 by 2, then 5, then 11 by 2, etc. Let's go to third part. So third part is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, etc. So here let's find out common difference. Minus 3.2 minus 1.2, which is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2, which will give minus 2. The same is true here. It means it is an AP. So next term can be found by subtracting 2. So next term will be minus 7.2 minus 9.2 minus 11.2, etc. So let's go to fourth part. Fourth part is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Here common difference is minus 6 minus minus 10. That is 4. The same is true here. It means it is an AP. So next term can be written at minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, then 2, then 6, then 10, then 14, etc. Now let's go to next part. So fifth part is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, etc. Here common difference will be 3 plus root 2 minus 3, that is root 2. This is true for next two terms also. It means it is an AP. So we can write other terms. So next term will be 3 plus 3 root 2, 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2, etc. Now let's go to next question. It is 0 0.2, 0 0.22, 0 0.222 dot dot. Here common difference is not same, so it is not an AP. Next one, 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, etc. It is an AP because D will be minus 4 minus 0, which will give minus 4. So next terms will be minus 20, minus 24, minus 28, etc. Now let's go to next question. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, dot dot dot. So here common difference will be 0. So it will be an AP and all terms will be minus 1 by 2. Now let's consider ninth part. Ninth part is 1, 3, 9, 27. Here common difference is not constant, so it is not an AP. Then let's go to 10th question. A, 2A, 3A, 4A, etc. Here common difference will be 2A minus A will be A, and it will be an AP. So next term will be 5a, 6a, 7a, etc. Let's go to next part. So next part is a, a square, a cube, etc. It is not an AP because common difference will not be constant. So let's go to next part. It is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Here root 8 equal to 2 root 2, root 18 equal to 3 root 2, root 32 is 4 root 2. So here if we find common difference, it will be just root 2. It means it will be in an AP, and the next term will be 5 root 2. 5 root 2 means 5 when goes inside the square root, it will become 25 into 2, that is root 50. And next term will be 6 root 2. So 6 can be taken inside, so it will become 36 into 2 under root. So root 72. Then next term will be 7 root 2. 7 can be taken inside, so that will become 49 into 2, that is root 98. Now let's go to part 13. It is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. It will not be an AP because common difference is not constant. Next, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, etc. 1, 9, 25, 49, etc. Here common difference is not constant, so it is not an AP. Let's go to last part. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So let's check. This is 1, this is 25, this is 49, this is 73. Here common difference is 24 every time, so it will be an AP, and next term can be written by adding 24 to this term. So 73 plus 24, and then next term will be 73 plus 2 into 24, and then next term will be 73 plus 3 into 24, etc. Thank you.